Hi guys, this is Subhash here, a Biker Baba Vlogs, and you guys are most welcome into my YouTube channel. I'm a Goan YouTuber. So today's video is on my bike. It's a second service of this bike, the small bike TVS XL100. So I've already done this service of this bike this morning. I have some issue of the rust, having rust on this bike. This bike is around 3 months old now, almost, and there's a lot of rust has come up on this bike now. I'll show you. So this is the bike that I won in January. It's almost 3-4 months old now. I ride on this bike. I'll show you the odometer now. 2818 kilometers I have ridden, and second service of this bike has done till now. Bike is totally good. The engine works very fine. Everything is fine. But only thing is, this bike's material is very worse they use. I must say that, because of all the bike is catching rust now in the rainy season. Even I wash this bike every day here, but still I'll show you the rain has started now. I'll wait for some time, guys. Okay, the rain has gone now. So what I was talking about this bike catching rust very fast. I don't know how they build this bike. I don't know, they maybe use very cheap material in this bike. I'll show you here. You see the spokes here. All these spokes are getting rusted here within 3 months, I must say, 3 to 4 months. You see, most of the places are catching rust here. All these spokes. In my other bike, it doesn't catch any rust till now. I've seen that. But this bike, TVS had made this very worse. I'm very disappointed about this. I'll show you some other places as well. Here also start catching rust. Okay, I'll show you here as well. You see this? This one, it looks like a 2 years old bike now. It feels like, you maybe won't understand on the picture properly, but it's getting rusty without any mud or something like that. Just catching rust. In same thing happens in the rear wheel also. Spokes, wheels, they catching rust here. Okay, we'll go under the seat now. Here. Okay, I opened this already to show you guys. So here you see it's getting rusty here inside. It's getting rusty here. Here also, you see here also. They call this bike a heavy duty machine, but they disappointed me with this. And you see here, all the started getting rust in this area over here, here, and even on this part also here. Within 3-4 months, I don't know how they build this. Some of you guys must know that I had reviewed the TVS Apache before. I had that bike before. Even I reviewed this bike over here only, that place down there, and that was my first video. I told that bike was one of the best machine. I said I didn't even have any rust issue on that bike, that 13 years old bike now. But now what they're doing, I don't know. What about this material quality, how they build, how they use, I don't know. Even you see this suspension here, this also, all the color is coming out from this now. Here you see, you maybe cannot see from there. And you see this washer here, you see here. I am washing this bike regularly. Whenever I go out and it get dirty, I start washing properly. But I am very disappointed with this now. I don't have any issue with the engine or whatever. The suspension, everything is fine. Only thing is the rusting problem on this bike, the build quality of this bike. I'm talking about this only. And now you see, this is the stand here. This also start catching rust now. Total getting rusty. We can understand this comes under the mud. That's why this place is getting rusty. So even here You see behind the number plate clamp also. This also got is rusted here now inside. I don't know how they build this, man. I'm very disappointed about this. After some days, or after some months, how much rust will catch this bike, and what about the warranty and all? We have to go and sort it out, that problem also. I told them when I go to the service there, I will just wait and see. When I will come for next service, then I will show you, and I will ask for a new rim if it gets worse, if it gets more rusted or something like that. This is what happens now, guys. They are already, all bikes and scooters are prices are high now, but they offer us such kind of things here now. I'm very disappointed about this now. With engine and with other features, I don't want to talk on anything about it. It's a totally nice and good mileage as well, and the lights also good according to the its speed and all. Everything is good. And paint quality also, I have to talk about this. Paint quality also are not up to the mark. When it comes to the good quality paint or something like that, when we use for some time, that time we can understand everything was the problem. ये गाड़ी रस्ट पकड़ता है भाई, बहुत रस्ट पकड़ा है इसको. हर जगह पे कुछ ना कुछ मिलता ही है देखने को. रेड ये देखो इधर भी. Here also you can see everywhere. In the other bike I have Hero Xpulse also. That bike doesn't have any issue till now. It's almost 6 months now. It doesn't have anything. Like I'm always checking whether it's catching rust or something like that. What TVS says about this bike is made for the low people who struggles in the field or something. This is called heavy duty machine. You can use it rough terrain. They say when we go to the rough terrain, the bike will get dirty, and dirty bikes must not catch rust because they are made for good performance. And this I don't know how. I'm very disappointed about TVS now. I must say that even that time when I was making video on TVS Apache, I have ridden that bike 4,50,000 kilometers in 12 years. I have ridden that bike, and that bike was awesome. The build quality was awesome of that bike. That was my first video. I have shot it on this channel on that bike. But this bike, if you look closely, this bike will look like 2-3 years old now. It looks like this kind of happen here. You see this everything, and this is very red inside here now. And this part also, see everything is getting red, getting rusted here. Even in this part also start rusting here. Even in this part of this clamp also. This clamps doesn't comes under the water or under the mud or something like that. Like a wheels are coming. This clamp is very high. The handle. How could the rust come up here without any mud or something like that? It's unbelievable, guys. यहाँ पे कैसे जंग पकड़ सकता है? ये ऊपर है, मिट्टी के ऊपर है. ये मिट्टी नहीं लगता है इधर ज़्यादा इस पार्ट में, हैंडल के पास. तो यहाँ पे कैसे आ गया ये रस्ट इतना? बिकॉज ऑफ दे यूजिंग बहुत ख़राब मटेरियल यूज़ किया है इस गाड़ी में. इवन इन अदर बाइक ऑल्सो, इफ़ द बाइक कैचेज रस्ट इन दैट, आई विल कम एंड मेक वीडियो ऑफ दैट बाइक एज वेल. लेट्स सी विच बाइक इज परफॉर्मिंग good company. Both are same, so same age, maybe 2 months different they have, but this bike catch too much rust here. And here also the suspension also, you see here. Now they washed this bike properly. Still the red thing is coming up here. You see this one. This part doesn't come under the mud area or something like that. So this bike is only not even 3,000 kilometer. That other bike is almost 8,000 kilometer I've ridden till now, but I don't have any issue on that bike there. Okay guys, this is the bills and paper. They charge me 400 for changing oil, and this is second service of this bike here today. So guys, that was my experience on this bike. Now I don't want to talk about anything else on the according to the engine performance, everything is perfect, the mileage and all, no starting problem at all, good mileage, brakes, everything is good. But only thing I have a problem with rust here in this bike. So okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos. Okay then, see you in the next video guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.